Hello you guys, and welcome to my sister's oasis, or soon to be oasis. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. A little quick disclaimer, we are battling the neighborhood today. We have birds squawking every now and then, and we also have someone who decided to get up bright and early on this Monday morning and cut their lawn. There's the bird. You guys, we are back at my sister's house, and we have been here before. We have actually made over her bedroom, which we're gonna be doing more to that, so exciting. She's coming on the wall molding trend. I could not be happier. And then we also did her bathroom. We did both of her bathrooms actually, and her closets. We organized her whole house one time. That actually was a really popular video. Yes, you will have your airtime, chill. But today we are actually going outside, clearly. Clearly, I should have filmed this before I left my house. So this is my sister's back deck, and she has tried, I feel like ever since she moved in, to make it her own, but you know, she's used marketplace furniture and, you know, thrifted stuff, and it just isn't what she wants it to be. And so I said, let me please help you. So what we're actually gonna do is take everything off of this deck. We are going to power wash it, put on some fresh stain. It's actually a good idea to stain your deck every year or two. And then we are gonna rearrange, bring in some new furniture with Cheetah Living. I'm so excited to be partnering with them. I'll tell you more about that later. And yeah, we're just gonna make it functional and beautiful for her. A space where she can enjoy it with her husband and me, and she can also enjoy it with her kids. So make sure you are subscribed if you aren't already, so you can obviously see the entire process. And I've got lots of fun videos. If you haven't checked them out, I've made over my whole home, I've done different spaces, and we've got lots more to do because I don't know how to sit still, okay? Okay, so first we're gonna start by clearing everything out of here if you can hear me. My sister's giving me a judgmental face, and yet here I am on my Monday morning, ready to clean out her space. Okay, I just did the deck. It was pretty bad, you guys. So one way to avoid this would be to power wash lightly, either beginning or end of every season, and then give it a light stain, and then hopefully you'll kind of avoid tearing up your deck because of all of the buildup of the moisture. But I totally forgot about the rug. So we're gonna wash the rug and then kind of wash the porch really quickly after. Okay, so you guys saw my sister's sad patio furniture before. Patchy and missing some pillows. It's totally fine. You know, you try and make it work, and she just didn't get to the try part yet. So she's right here. I have her approval, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Anyways, you guys, obviously the patio furniture before left something to be desired, and so I said, please let me help you. So I'm so thankful that Cheetah Living reached out and they wanted to send me some patio furniture, and I said, you know what, I know someone who needs it more than me. So Clara, because you're letting me roast you a little bit, I'm gonna gift you this set. So thank you to Cheetah Living. They allowed us to choose out some beautiful furniture for her deck. And you guys, I am so excited. They have so many options for you to choose from. You can choose obviously a whole set with a couch and matching chairs. They have swivel chairs, which is just so fun. You guys know we love swivel chairs. Decided to go with something a little bit more boho to match her feel. And she chose out these beautiful chairs. You can get them single or as a set. We decided for the 2 chairs with the table, and they're so cute. So they're here, and we're gonna go ahead and get some of them put together, so you're getting a sneak peek. And then after we get these done, we're gonna go back to the deck, finish out our work, and I cannot wait to show you them on the deck because they're gonna look so amazing and completely finish off the space. So much better than that junk that was there before. Right, Clara? Right. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love Cheetah Living. We have their swivel chairs in my living room, and they are my kids and mine favorite chairs to sit in. They are just so comfy and so well made, and the same can be said for this Cheetah 3-piece boho patio rattan bistro set that I'm putting together for my sister. It is so easy to assemble. You only need one person to put it together, and it only takes a couple of minutes for each piece. You guys can probably tell that my sister's style is a little bit different from mine, so she loves the clean line modern design of this set. It is crafted from certified acacia wood with a natural finish, featuring hand-wrapped all-weather rope for added texture and style. This is going to be perfect on her back patio. But what's even better than it just being beautiful is that it is also durable, weather resistant, and low maintenance, which is perfect because my sister has 3 young boys and they will definitely be enjoying this set as well. And so the fact that she can just wipe off the little popsicle messes that we're sure are going to be made makes this even better. I will have the link in the description to this exact set down below so you can get one for yourselves. And I promise you're going to love it because it is so beautiful and so comfy. Thanks again, Cheetah Living. Good morning, you guys. It is a new day. So we had to wait a couple days. We got rained out, and you need to wait at least 48 hours for after power washing for it to dry, but also for it to rain. And so we're good to go today, but I want to give it just a little bit longer because it kind of has a little bit of that morning dew on it. So while we wait for it to just fully dry for us, she has these lights up on the smallest little pieces of wood. So we're going to take the lights down. They also just hang a little bit lower than I would like. So if possible, we're going to take them down. I've got 2x4s instead, so that'll be a lot more secure. It shouldn't bow as much as what's currently there. And then she also bought this sunshade sail. And so if we can, we're going to get it to coincide with our support system. I'm hoping it's long enough. We'll see if we have to jig something. But then that way she can get some shade out here as well, because it does get hot in the afternoon. So we've got some things to do, and then we're gonna stain, we're gonna add our furniture, and you guys, we're gonna make this place look so pretty. I'm so excited. Probably should have waited to open this, but it's okay. That's a decent size. Cool. Also, you guys, this is so random, but this morning Katherine Heigl followed me on Instagram. Izzy, are you kidding me? That's so crazy. Life is so weird, you guys. Color she has on her deck. We think she lost the other can, so she went to the store, and we think it's simply Cedar and not the curry one. We will soon find out. Alright, we're going to install the 2x4 post, like I said, to give it more stability. Clara was kind of iffy because she's like, I don't really want like 2 big posts sticking out, but I feel like once we add the sunshade, like it'll just kind of look like part of the establishment. You could also use a pole. I've seen people do that, but I feel like people have a really hard time getting them to stay stable because, well, I guess you could use a metal bracket, but most of the time they're putting them in pots, and so they're having to use like concrete and all these things. So I feel like this is just our best option. I'm gonna have it up off the ground a little bit too, just to hopefully give it a couple more years with preventing some wood rot. So. And also we did get the right stain. So two things are true right now. The guy who mowed his lawn the other day is mowing it again. 3 days ago he mowed it. And the sunshade is unfortunately too big, which stinks because it provides the perfect shade. But we have a solution. I'm probably gonna have to take it down and sew it, but because we don't have time for that today, we're gonna staple it. And because my sister doesn't have a real stapler, we're using the school one until I can get mine back over here. So we'll see if this even works. It might not work, we'll see. And don't try this at home. I think that might have been the ratchiest DIY I've ever done, but I'm going to fix it just for today. Now we're gonna go ahead and hang the lights up. Okay guys, it's the next day. If you can guess what day it is by my outfit, you want to point. So we are ready to put down the rug and then the beautiful furniture from Cedar Living, you guys. It's the cutest set. I'm so excited to get this out here and get her like functional, comfy seating. Definitely had room for a couch. I think even when we cleared it out, she's like, oh my gosh, I had more space than I realized. But we went with chairs for now. We can always add a sofa if we want to, and the chairs will make it super easy to kind of move it around as she wants to. But I'm kind of just thinking an inviting space, putting them where you can just walk out, sit down, and enjoy this beautiful space. Now this thing is amazing. It is giving so much shade as well. She got that at Aldi of all places for $15 and she's been holding on to it, so I do still need to fix it, but it's okay. But I'm so thankful for the shade it is giving us. So okay, let's stop talking and get to the pretty part. Let's get 3 more. They're so nice. keep that snake plant. Remember what it looked like before. It looks so good. It looks so good. Wow. It actually looks so good. Isn't it cozy? It's so cozy. This is like perfect for like. I know, right? It looks so good. Welcome to Coco and Rauras. Yes. We'll put it on the bed. You like it? Yes, I love it. It actually looks so crazy. Oh my God. Sorry. It's okay. It looks so good. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this patio refresh, and that's exactly what it was. This space feels so much fresher now. You guys know that before was a little bit scary, no offense to my sister. I'm just teasing her. She knows that I mean well. And I know that she has 3 baby boys who are so wonderful but busy, and so she has not had the time to do this for herself, and so I'm so excited to give this to her. You guys, I hope that this is some motivation for you that, you know, I think we see a lot of people online, myself included, doing these big scale makeovers, and it just kind of feels like, well, like, how do I even get there? Or I don't have the budget for that. And so for this patio, all we did, she already had the sun sale that was $15 anyways, and we just bought a new bucket of paint and some furniture that was desperately needed. But we reused her rug, we pulled her plants out, we have her grill that came back, and you know, she ended up selling a smoker, so that paid for some of this. So highly encourage you, if there's a space that you know you don't really like but you don't have the funds or the time to do a full-blown makeover, just making some little touches to update it can really help. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to check out Cheetah Living, you guys. These chairs, they are such good quality. Obviously this plant wouldn't stay like this, but I just needed it pretty for the video. But yeah, these chairs are so cushioned and just really well made. I love all of the detail on them, so make sure you check them out. I will have a link in the description for you guys so you guys can grab your own. So lovely. It looks so good. We love this. Now make sure to subscribe because you might have seen some sneak peeks. We are painting inside her house, so we're going to be doing a lot more makeovers here, and I'm very excited for that. And I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this patio refresh. You guys are the best, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye guys. Okay, so you guys saw my sister's trash deck. It was disgusting. I can't even. Okay, so you guys saw my sister's patio furniture before,